American singer Alicia Keys performed at the VinFuture Science and Technology Awards ceremony at Ho Guom Theatre on December 5th. She sang inspirational songs honoring the resilience and strength of humanity, reflecting the spirit of the theme, "Together we rise, together we prosper." Alicia Keys is renowned for her powerful voice and a series of R&B hits including Falling, If I Ain't Got You, Empire State of Mind, and Girl on Fire. Over the course of her career, she has received 17 Grammy Awards.